Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, myself Pipit Ambarwati. Here I will explain material about parts of body. Straight to parts of body. 1. Kepala. In English, head. In anatomical term, cephalon. Kepala belakang. In English, back head. In anatomical term, occipital. Rambut, hair. In anatomical term, hair. Muka, face. In anatomical term, facial. Dahi, forehead. In anatomical term, frontal. Pipi, cheek. In anatomical term, buccal. Mata, eye. In anatomical term, oculus. Alis mata, eyebrow. In anatomical term, eyebrow. Kelopak mata, in English, eyelid. In anatomical term, eyelid. Bulu mata, eyelash. Bola mata, eyeball. In anatomical term, orbital. Pelipis, temple. Orbicularis. Hidung, in English, nose. In anatomical term, nasus. Lubang hidung, nostril. In anatomical term, cavum nasalis. Bulu hidung, in English, nose hair. In anatomical term, nose hair. Bibir, in English, lip. In anatomical term, labium. Mulut, in English, mouth. In anatomical term, oris. Rahang, in English, jaw. In anatomical term, temporal. Tulang rahang, jawbone. Mandibular joint. Rahang atas, upper jaw. Maxilla. Rahang bawah, lower jaw. Mandibula. Gigi, tooth. In anatomical term, dentist. Gusi, gum. Gingiva. In anatomical term, gingiva. Lidah, tongue. Lingual. Dagu, chin. In anatomical term, mantis. Kumis, in English, mustache. In anatomical term, mustache. Janggut, beard. In anatomical term, beard. Jambang, viscer. In anatomical term, whisker. Lubang telinga, ear. In anatomical term, auricula. Telinga, earlobe. Meatus acousticus externus. B. Parts of middle body. 1. Leher. In English, neck. in anatomical term, cervix. Jakun, Adam's apple, part of glandula thyroid. Bahu, shoulder. Bahu, shoulder. In anatomical term, deltoides or deltoid. Punggung, in English, pec. In anatomical term, dorsum. Tulang belikat, in English, shoulder blade. In anatomical term, scapula. Scapula. Dada, case. In anatomical term, thoracic. Breast, glandula mama. Uping, in English, nipple. In anatomical term, papilla mammae. Perut, in English, stomach. Abdomen. Rahim, in English, womb. In anatomical term, womb. Pusar, navel. Lengan, in English, arm. In anatomical, upper limb. Lengan atas, upper arm. Brachium. Lengan bawah, lower arm. Antebrachium. Lengan dalam, inner arm. Biceps. Lengan luar, outer arm. Triceps. Ketiak, in English, armpit. In anatomical term, axillary. Siku, in English, elbow. In anatomical term, dalam, antecubitus, luar, olecranon. Tangan, hand. In anatomical term, mabus. Pergelangan, wrist, carpus. Telapak tangan, in English, palm of hand. In anatomical term, palmar. Punggung, back of hand. Punggung, in English, back of hand. Metacarpal. Jari-jari, in English, finger. In anatomical term, digit. Kuku, in English, nail. In anatomical term, nail. Ibu jari, thumb. In anatomical term, pollex. Jari telunjuk, index finger, digital. Jari tengah, middle finger, digital. Clinking, jari clinking, ring finger, digital. Clinking, in English, clinking, in English, little finger. In anatomical term, digital. C, part of lower body. 1. Pinggang, in English, waist. In anatomical term, lumbar. Pinggul, in English, hip. In anatomical term, coxal. Pantat, in English, bottom. Gluteus, lalu tulang pantat, in English, scrum. In anatomical term, screw. Selangkangan, in English, groin. In anatomical term, inguine or inguinal. Kelamin wanita, vagina. In anatomical term, vagina. Kelamin laki-laki, penis. In anatomical term, penis. Air kencing, urine. In anatomical term, urine. Paha, in English, thigh. In anatomical term, femoral. Femoral. Lutut, in English, knee. In anatomical term, patellar. Tulang kering, in English, shin bone. In anatomical term, crust or fibula. Betis, in English, calf. In anatomical term, sural. Pergelangan kaki, in English, ankle joint. In anatomical term, tarsal. Mata kaki, in English, ankle. In anatomical term, malleolus. Tumit, in English, heel. Calcaneus. Kaki dari mata kaki bawah, in English, foot. In anatomical term, pedal. Kaki dari atas, in English, leg. In anatomical term, lower limb. Telapak kaki, in English, sole. In anatomical term, plantar. Punggung kaki, in English, back of foot. In anatomical term, metatarsal. Jari kaki, in English, toes. In anatomical term, digits or digital. Jempol kaki, hallux. Sorry if there are many shortcomings. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.